Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Google Chrome on Windows 11. So first, open up your web browser, whether that's Firefox or Microsoft Edge, and go to the website ninite.com. Ninite install or update multiple apps at once. So click on that, pick the apps you want. Under web browsers, there's Chrome. Click on the button so that there's a little white check mark and a blue box. Go down to the bottom and click on the blue button that says Get Your Ninite. And then you should get a download. Right here, I have my download. All you have to do is click on Open the file. Preparing setup. Do you want to allow this app to make changes? Click on Yes. And now Google Chrome will be downloaded. This should only take a couple of minutes, if that. It all depends on your download speed. And then once it's downloading, Ninite will install Google Chrome. Installing shouldn't take too long on this computer. I have been using Ninite for 3 years. They are a very, very good company, and they make sure there's no viruses or anything like that in any of their files. So once that is done, you have Google Chrome right here. So just open it up. And Google Chrome. There we have it. We've got Google Chrome on the Windows 11 computer. I hope this video helps you. Have a good day. Bye.